everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Hermione, and today I'm going to be sharing a video about something I've been putting off for a really long time because I just haven't wanted to do it, and that's decluttering. So last week I went on a big decluttering spree because, as you guys might know, I'm moving into this house very soon, and I really don't want to take all of the stuff I have with me. I don't need it all, so now's a good time to declutter before I move. I've been focusing on clothes, accessories, makeup, beauty products. My main efforts for this video were focused on the bathroom because my bathroom looked a little bit like this. Not very relaxing at all, and I was in desperate need of a good pamper session because with redoing this house, my hair was full of specks of paint for weeks on end, no matter how many times I washed it. My nails were, I don't even want to talk about my nails. They were pretty gross. The little scrubbing brush, that's become my best friend. But why would I want to pamper myself in a bathroom that was full of clutter and not very clean? Hence the decluttering. And also, very kindly, today's video is sponsored by Holler Glow, who have given me some products to help me on my journey to pampering myself a little bit more and getting rid of the paint and the grime. So thank you very much to Holler Glow for sponsoring this video. They sent me a ton of different hair sheet masks, and I've been using a few of them. So basically what they are, they're like little sheet masks. Instead of for your face, they're for your hair, and they condition and hydrate your hair. They come in a bunch of really fun patterns, like this one's clouds and rainbows, and they do different things. This one's for split ends, this one's for frizzy and damaged hair. They're actually really handy because when I had it on last night, I was actually going about my house and doing other things. So you basically put the mask on your hair and you can tie it up, and then you can just go ahead and live your life. So it's really handy if you want to hydrate your hair but you don't want to be stuck in the bathroom for like 20 minutes or so while you wait for it to do its magic. Ben! Can you just touch my hair and tell me what it feels like?
It's pretty soft.
Yeah? Better than it normally is?
I think it does a good job.
Uh-huh.
I could use it.
Yeah, you could. Well, maybe we can give you a hair mask.
No, that's fine.
Thank you for being part of my video.
I'll try. Can I go back?
Yes. Bye! Thank you again to Holler Glow for sponsoring this video. You can find them exclusively at Primark, so do go check them out. And without further ado, let's jump in. Tip number one is categories. You are not going to get your whole house decluttered in a day, a weekend, or even a week. So I'm going to break it down into the categories I really need to focus on today. And I think that's primarily health and beauty stuff, makeup, etc., hair stuff, clothes, and then accessories. That's actually quite a lot of stuff to do in one day, I realise. So I would just recommend, once you've broken it down into categories, just focus on one. And then once you've done that, if you've got time, move on, or wait till the next weekend. I'm starting to realise that decluttering is a marathon, not a sprint. Do you remember this time last year I put out a bathroom makeover video? Well, this is what it looks like now. This is what I'm dealing with. All of this needs to be sorted. Side note, my cactuses are flourishing in here, but that's besides the point. This is horrendous. I don't even want to look at that. Nope, 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 nah, no thank you. This stuff, that stuff. I have my work cut out for me. Once you've decided which categories you're going to start to tackle, take all of the items from that category from all over your house and put them in one big space. I put this old piece of board down to protect my bed in case there's any spillages. So this is basically just a montage of me putting all of the bits from my bathroom out and all of my makeup to see exactly what I had. This is where we're currently at with the bathroom stuff and the makeup. I really did not think I had that much makeup, but I guess I do, so we're going to sort that today. When sorting out, I think it's really important to create subcategories. So for me, I created a bunch of different categories, like things I had duplicates of, things that I use every day. This helped me assess how much I really had and what I needed. So far, this basket is the basket full of stuff that I know I'm going to use. There's only one of each product in there, and it's stuff I use on a basically daily basis. This is more health related things and like miscellaneous things like cotton buds. These two right here are all doubles. I didn't realize how many doubles I have, so I'm going to try and pare this down a bit. Most of it's stuff I will use in the future, so I don't want to get rid of it, but I'm going to have to figure that out. This monstrosity is miniatures for traveling. I know I can pare this down. There's loads of stuff in here, and I'm thinking of putting them in a bag once I'm finished so I can tuck them away somewhere and they won't be on show all the time. Another tip I have for when you're decluttering is to decant or condense any products that you might have. Anything that you can put two into one, or anything that you can organize into a box to make it look a little bit more streamlined and a bit more minimal. This is what's in my makeup bag, and I'm pretty sure I do not need all of this stuff. I've managed to narrow it down to this selection of items. I'm pretty pleased with that. So this is all the stuff that's going back into the bathroom. This box is makeup, and this is my very small-ish nail polish collection. This is like a fifth of the size that it used to be. I'm so pleased. So I'm going to put all of this back, and I'm going to show you how I do it. My next tip when you're decluttering is to clean every single surface before putting your items back. Not only is it a really good time to clean because there's nothing in the way, but you don't want to get your products messy with dirt that's already been around your bathtub or wherever it is. So this is just me cleaning the bath and the soap and the grime that had been accumulating for a little while. Once that was all done, I was able to go and put all of my items back in their places. This was so satisfying because I really managed to get rid of probably half of the stuff that was in the bathroom. So it was really nice to be able to see the products that I really needed for access, and also be able to see it all go back nice and neatly and not look like a cluttered mess. So this is how the bathroom turned out when it was finished, and I feel like it's such a vast improvement. It's not perfect, but it makes such a difference, and it really feels like when I'm in there, I'm not surrounded by loads of junk. Next up, accessories. Oh boy. Look at this. Look at it. With all of the clothes, the accessories, the jewellery, I went through basically the same process as with the bathroom stuff. I started by taking everything out and seeing it all in one place. Not only was this good to assess how much stuff I really had, but it was nice to see it in one place so that I could sort through and see if I had any duplicates of things and really assess what I needed. After painstakingly detangling every single necklace, which took about an hour and a half, I had this set up. I had them all separate so they weren't going to get tangled again. Then I decided to put them all away, ready to be moved to the new house, and I put them in these amazing storage boxes. These are from Poundland. They're actually from the craft section. They're for storing craft supplies and hobby things, but they're really good for individually storing necklaces so that they don't get tangled. Progress report, I've narrowed it all down to this. This bag has hair ties, bobby pins, etc. This is hair scarves and some glasses at the bottom and some flash tattoos. This is my everyday kind of jewellery that I like to use for filming and things. This is badges and buttons, and this is rings. And in here, this is all the stuff I've packed up. And it looks like it's a lot, but it's really spaced out because I only have one thing in each of the compartments. And that's where we're at with the jewellery. I'm pretty impressed. And this is my donate pile. So this is the wardrobe situation, and it's not actually too bad. My main priority is taking these summer clothes out and figuring out what I'm not going to wear this season and then getting rid of it. And then taking a few more pieces off this rail. I actually recently just had a bit of a mini purge on this rail, but I know there's a few more things in there that I can probably get rid of. and it won't hurt to have a look in my drawers to see if there's anything else in there too. When decluttering my clothing and accessories, I was going through a few questions in my head. Things like, why do I have this? When will I wear this? When was the last time I wore this? Is it worth keeping? Does it go with anything I have in my closet? And most importantly, if I saw this somewhere today in a store, would I buy it if I didn't already have it? This really helped me assess what I truly needed and what I'm going to wear this summer. And to be honest, I probably still have too many clothes, but I feel a lot better, and hopefully these clothes can be passed on to someone else who'll enjoy them. It doesn't actually look like I've made a dent in these, but that's because I folded them really badly and I've added some extra stuff on top. But I've managed to get rid of a whole bunch of stuff. At least half of this is from those boxes. So I'm feeling pretty impressed. This is at least a bin bag's worth of stuff I can give to the charity shop. And to finish my decluttering journey of the day, I just boxed up all the clothes, ready to go to the charity shop and go to a better home. That's everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it inspired you to declutter a little bit and free yourself of some of the things that you probably don't need that you have lying around your room or your home. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!